Okay, my name is Rene Orbito. I want to share some mind puzzle. You see a star, there's a dot in every corner. You must solve this star just like this. Put all the stone like this and this. You must put all the stone just like this.
Yeah. Omo masa.
Only one left.
2, 4, 6, 8, 9.
9 stone. Okay. 9 stone. You should. Here is the step. You should move 3 moves. Like this. 1, 2, 3. And then you can start just like this. 1 and jump 2, 3. But you are not allowed to start with the field 1. It's like this. It's not good. 1, 2, 3. No. It's like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You cannot move just like this. 1, 2, 3. Not good. Moving like this. No good. Only 3 moves. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. So, is there anyone to challenge this one? This puzzle. Okay. You must draw a star. It's like this. And then bring 9 stone or any battle crown or battle cup. Or 9 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can put all the stone in the star. Okay. Challenge yourself to solve this puzzle. Okay, bye-bye.